Hello, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So the drama continues, and this is the update news, that is coming in very, very quickly from the Sowetan. So they are saying there's a Vosloorus woman who was at her home, on Monday night when a man driving a red car, this is Brown Mohotsi, driving at a high speed, he suddenly stopped. He went out of the car, cut out the gun from his pocket, and started firing shots at his own car. Then filed, the case, that the gunmen, who are attempting to fire at him. So this is the eyewitness, the Vosloorus woman, who reported this. From the Sowetan. So as you can see here, guys, this is something very, very dramatic. This is something very, very serious, that has been committed by Brown Mohotsi here. Because the police themselves, they even made it very, very clear, that if Brown Mohotsi faked this entire thing, we are going to arrest him. The reason why we are going to arrest him is for wasting state resources. Because you can't be lying, that this is what happened to you. Then the police goes all out there to do these investigations, only to find out, that it was just all a drama that had been staged by Brown Mohotsi himself. And the whole thing, it was very suspicious right from the very beginning, We saw that video, of the shots fired on that car. I mean, the tires, they were so worn out, and I think it's Linda Mnisi, who said, what, these tires, when you look at them, it's like this car was not even being driven for quite some time now, and it was pulled somewhere, and it was then driven now. So the issue on the table, is that there were not even any blood stains or whatever in that car in itself. So the suspicions from the very first time, was that this thing has been staged. No wonder the police, even went as far as to say if Brown Mohotsi staged this thing, then we are going to arrest him, for wasting our resources. Now, Brown Mohotsi is being requested to go to the police station to report this case. He doesn't even want to appear to be questioned or anything. He has completely gone silent. So this is fueling the rumors that Brown Mohotsi staged this entire thing. Now, to add on top of all that, with this eyewitness, it's just raining for Brown Mohotsi. But the question of the matter, that we still don't know now is, what was Brown Mohotsi trying to achieve in pulling this stunt? Like, what was he trying to show? Was he trying to show that his life is in danger, so he needs more protection? Or maybe he needs other people to be sympathizing with him? It's just not clear. But anyway, this is what happened to Brown Mohotsi in the eyewitness. I'll catch you guys on the next one.